Going to the next one here, it says that identify the terms and the factors in the following. Okay, so going to the second question, identify the terms. Now what can be the terms that I need to show? That is x minus 3 is the first question given. So this is one term and the second is this term. So term x comma minus 3 are the two terms here. Okay, identify the terms and their factors in the following expression. How do I find the factors for this one now? To find the factors, I am going to write their particular elements together. Okay, so what is happening over here? 7 into x, if it is there, I would write it, but here there's nothing, so I'll write 1 into x is the factor here. Okay, the factors are like this. Then it is minus 1 into 3, you can write like this one for this one. Okay, going beyond this, I have 1. This is the first one. The second one is 1 plus x square. So how do I write the factors for this? It is the terms first of all. 1, 2 and 3 terms. So 1 comma x square is there. Okay, the C1 is y minus y cube is there. Okay, so this is one term y and the second term is y cube. This is another term here. Then it says show the terms and their factors by tree diagram. Okay, this is one hell thing. Tree diagram is what I don't know. I'm trying to see what a tree diagram is. Okay, this is what is a tree diagram. Okay, so now this particular term can be achieved as they are writing it like this. So if I have y minus y cube, this is how they are writing. The terms of this are this: y and minus y cube. This is a lone term, nothing can be done, but this can be further divided into minus y into minus y into minus y. This is what is a tree diagram, and that's how you represent it. Okay, for this one, if I take x minus 3 is given, so two terms are there. So x and minus 3 are the two terms. That's it. There's no further simplification. 1 plus x square, the second one. There are three terms to it. Okay, what are the three terms? 1, x and x square. Then again, you see that x square can be written as x into x. Okay, that's how we are writing it down in the tree diagram pattern. Okay, then it is 5xy square plus 7x square y. Two terms are here, 5xy square and 7x square y. Then this can be further written as 5 into x into y into y. Okay, 5x, y and y. Now this can be further written as 7 into x into y. This is how you represent it in the tree diagram format. The remaining one, you have to do it. The second part of this question is identify the terms in the expression below. Only I need to identify the terms. So the first one is minus 4x plus 5. So minus 4x comma 5 are the terms here. Going with the E1, PQ plus Q is there. So PQ is one term and Q is the second term there. Okay, going with the C1, 5y plus 3y square is there. So 5y is one term and 3y square is the other term here. Okay, Vazukyo. Okay, now doing the F1 likewise, 1.2 AB minus 2.4B plus 3.6A. One term, second term, third term. So 1.2 AB comma minus 2.4 B comma 3.6 A. These are the terms that we have. Okay, now going with the third question, then it says identify the numerical coefficient and the terms other than constants in the following. So I need to identify for the third one. I am going to do identifying the numericals. Okay, this is what I need to do in here. The first one is given to me as 5 minus 3t square is the term that is given to me. So the terms that I need to find out with the coefficient. Okay, the constant ones I'm not going to find out because it clearly says in the question other than constants. Other than constants means I have to leave the constants away. So over here the term is only this much. So minus 3t square is the term here. Okay, and the coefficient of this particular term is going to be how much? Whatever is before the alphabet, that becomes the coefficient. So minus 3 is the coefficient in here. Okay, going with the second one, it is 1 plus t square plus t cube. So the terms are t comma t square comma t cube, and it has nothing in front of them. Can you see anything in front of them? No. So the coefficient for each, coefficient of t is 1, coefficient of t square is 1, t cube is also 1. These are the terms that we have in here. Okay, now another one that is given to me is, let's do this one. Yeah, fifth one I'm doing, minus p square q square plus 7 pq is given to me here. So what do I write? This is one term with the variables. Constants are not there in it. Okay, so this is minus p square q square is one term, 7 pq is the other term. Okay, coefficient of this is minus 1, coefficient of this is 7. Okay, likewise going with the eighth one. Okay, so it is 2 into L plus B is there. This is 1 here. So 2, the terms are going to be 2 and L plus B will be the term here. Okay, this is one term itself, and this 2 becomes the coefficient here. Okay, that's how we do these questions.